Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sally. Today's video, we got a full face of Tarte. I got this special package. I think it was like pick 6 items for like $67. I think it was 6 items where you get a whole face. So we're gonna try everything that's in here. Look at how cute the packaging is. I love the purple. As you can tell, I love purple. My room is purple and I freaking love this. So I got all these goodies. I got all these goodies for $67. I'll put the exact price of everything that it's called. They do it once a year where you can pick a whole face for this amount on their website. And I thought I would show you what I got. If I like Tarte, I like their products. A lot of this stuff I have never tried, so I'm actually very excited. So let's go ahead and tune into that video. Okay, so we are zoomed in. Let's go ahead and start off with the first thing that I got. Okay, so this is it's very hard to see with my lights. So I am actually gonna do overlays of everything. So this is a Tarte Drink of H2O Hydration Boost. So this is the Drink of H2O Hydration Boost, and look at how freaking cute the packaging is. And then when you open it up, it does have a little seal that you can take off. And this is just a very gel-like consistency. I don't know if you could tell there, but it is very gel-like, as you can tell. It's gonna come out. I wanted to use this as my primer. We can see it is very gluey and dewy. I got a lot, but I think that is fine. It's 12-hour hydration, hyaluronic acid. It has algae, dermatologist tested, squalene, cruelty-free, and it's just a moisturizer. And this is the hydrating boost, which is really good for me because my skin is super dry. But I think I'm just gonna wear this as a primer because I didn't grab a primer. I think I have the Quench Tarte primer, but it's in one of my makeup boxes all the way at the end and I don't really want to grab it right now. So I think I'm going to use this as a primer, and it did leave me very hydrated, very glowy. I actually really like it, and I think this is going to be a great base for my makeup. Okay, perfect. My face is feeling hydrated. It's a little red because I was rubbing it, but other than that, it does feel very hydrated, as you can tell. So let's go ahead and start with the foundation. Foundation that I got was the the Tarte Face Tape in the color 29N, light medium neutral. I'm usually light medium neutral for everything across the board, and I usually match pretty well. Like, that looks like it will actually match me very well. I have not tried this. I have tried the Face Tape concealer. I think it's very thick in my opinion. I'm not obsessed with that concealer, but let's see what this is. I heard this one is full coverage. It looks a little dark, but that is the consistency. It is very thick, and I think I'm just gonna put it all over. Oh, you know what I didn't grab? I did not grab a mirror, but I have my little mirror right here from Natasha Denona. Okay, so it is covering me up, but I don't want to say it's full coverage. I want to say it's like medium coverage. Like, it does cover me up nicely. I do think it's a good skin match. It's a little light, but with bronzer and everything, it's gonna look fine. This does say it's a natural matte finish. It says it's full coverage, but I think it's more buildable coverage than anything. It's super thick. I think it would be a little more full coverage with this with a brush rather than a sponge. It says it's transfer proof, waterproof, and sweat proof. So let me go ahead and put the rest of this on. The smell, it smells like roses, and I don't like that. I don't like the smell. It has a very strong scent. Like, I prefer no, oh my god, I look crazy. I prefer no scent in my foundations. I prefer no scent in any of my makeup products personally. I just don't get why you have to put scent in makeup when you're not gonna smell it all day, you know? So I just don't get it. I don't get it. Maybe just lip gloss because you like how it tastes with the scent, but other than that, I just don't get it. Okay, so this is super full coverage, as you can tell. Look at how full coverage this is. Wow. That's very full coverage. It is a little bit lighter than my neck, so I'm just gonna bring it down. But it's not that bad. Like, I can work with this, and then all I have to do is just put on bronzer, and I think I would be fine. But it is self-setting. Like, I don't think I would need to put any powder to this if I didn't want to. I will though, but I don't think it needs the powder. And I will put on a concealer. The box bag, you can choose either a foundation or concealer. I chose a foundation because I've already tried their concealers. I'm not a big fan of their concealers, but I'm actually going to try their dupe of the concealer, which is their e.l.f. 16-hour Camel Concealer. This is in the color Medium Sand. I freaking love this one. This is a dupe to their Face Tape concealer, but I like this one better. This one is about $6, and the other concealer by Tarte is like $30. I actually think this is a little bit more creamy than their concealer, so I'm just going to put this on. I feel like I'm going to be very full coverage. I have not been super full coverage in a minute. It didn't come with the powder. I have a bronzer, but I don't have a powder. So I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the color 220. It's about $6, $7 at Target. And then I also have my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So let me go ahead and put this on and I'll be right back. So now I'm back. This is how it looks with the powder. I know my lips are crazy. I look ridiculous. And I am super, super matte. So I do need to put on some bronzer. So this kit actually did come with a bronzer, and this is my favorite. This is the Park Avenue Princess bronzer. I think I usually get a shade darker than this. This is in the shade Park Avenue Princess. I swear this is the one that I usually got, but now seeing it, I think this looks very light. It looks darker in real life than in camera. I think the lights are kind of blowing it out a little bit, but I swear this used to be darker. I love the scent on this. It smells very coconutty. See, now I'm saying that I do like the scents. I usually don't love scents on products, but if it's coconut, that's the exception. So let me, yeah, it's a little light. Like, I can see that it's a little bit darker and it is bronzing up, but I wish it was just a little bit darker. But this is gonna be more for like the natural days, you know, when you just wanna bronze up your skin a little bit. This is gonna be perfect for that. But I feel like if I was a little tanner than this wouldn't work out. You know what? I don't hate it. It's so natural though. Like, I do think I would use this, but I think I need something a little bit darker, just a little bit. So I'm actually gonna head into my Natasha Denona Aloe Cheek Duo. This is the Bronze and Glow palette. It's just a bronze. You see how much darker this is? It's a bronzer and highlighter palette. And I just need a little more warmth, especially since this foundation is super, super dark. Just need a little bit more warmth. So that looks a little bit better. What do you guys think of the bronzer? Okay, so then the palette did come with this. I wanted like a blush and a highlight, but you can pick either a blush or a highlight for this section, or a palette. And this is a face palette. This is the Maneater Passion palette, and it comes with a blush, a highlight, and then 6 eyeshadows. So it's an eyes and cheek palette. Oh, look at how cute that is. It's very, very pretty. Oh, look at that. That's cute. So we have the highlighter in Spontaneous, the blush in Affectionate, and then we got 6 eyeshadows. This one is Hypnotic, Charm, Unleashed, Perfect, Moody, and Passion. And so this is just like a perfect everyday palette, wearable palette. It does come with a large mirror, so I do like that blush. So I'm actually gonna go in with my Laura Lee X Lunar Beauty number 5. So this blush is cute. It does have a little bit of sparkles. I don't know if you could tell that it does have shimmers into it, but I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I actually think it's very, very cute. Very wearable every day. I really, actually, really like it. So let's try the highlighter. So that is the blush. That is the highlighter. Cute. Highlighter. This is blinding. Look. Oh, very blinding. Oh, I'm just gonna go over it with the blush a little bit so I can blend in more seamlessly. Bronzer, blend it in more seamlessly so it's not as crazy. Okay, I think that looks a little bit calmer. Oh, I forgot to put some right here. put a lot of her hair in my Cupid's bow. I kind of like this look so far. It's very, very natural, but I think it's cute. Well, I mean, not natural with the highlight, but I think it's cute. I think it's cute. Let's go into these eyeshadows. So let's go into this transition shade right here. This one was Unleashed? Perfect or Unleashed? It's one of those, I don't know. Okay, it's a perfect transition shade. It's like the creamy brown. It's like a brown orange. It's nice, it's nice. I do want to deepen this up a little bit though. I'm going to grab another brush and I want to go into this dark brown one and just pencil it in like this. These are blending so nicely, like they're so nice. They're not my favorite eyeshadow formula. I think they're a little bit dry. I wish they were a little more creamy, but they do blend really nicely. And I think this palette is very beginner friendly colors, and it does have a couple shimmers in it, so I think you would really enjoy this. Okay, so now that I blended this out, I'm gonna blend it out even more. I kind of want to try this dark shimmer one. This is in Passion. It looks very bronzy and dark. I really like it. I want to put it all over the lid. Oh, that's pretty. These shimmers are not poppy though. They're like very natural shimmers. So they're not my favorite formula. I prefer a shimmer with a little more pizzazz, a little more sparkle in it. But other than that, I think it's cute. It's very natural. And then I think I'm gonna use this brush, right, little tiny brush, to put in the highlighter. And I think I'm gonna put this in my inner corner, just like that. Pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Eyebrows are done. Got two more things. So I got a mascara, I got a lipstick, and then I got the bag that everything came in. So let's try the mascara. So this is the Tarte tubing mascara. It says it is 24-hour flake proof, smudge proof wear, clinically proven to volumize, lengthen curls, micro tubes, apply 2 consecutive coats in upward motion. This is the tube. It's very, very pretty. It's like a light chromy purple. It is metal. This is a freaking like hard mascara. Like you can get knocked out with this. Very knocked out. So this is the wand. Majority of the tubing mascaras do have this plasticky wand with very, very tiny bristles. They usually lengthen more than they're thickening. So let's see how this works. I forgot to curl my lashes, so this is gonna be a true test of how it works. That's one coat. Let me do another one. That is 2 coats. It's very pretty. It's very natural. It did lengthen. I'm gonna do another one. It did lengthen, but I've seen better. Like I've seen mascaras that are better. But for this tubing mascara, I think it's pretty good. I did not curl my lashes, so I think if I would have curled my lashes, I think it would have been a little bit better. They're getting a little clumpy right here. I wish I had something to separate them a little bit more. I do like the formula though. I do like how thick it is right away. Like this tube didn't have to dry to get this formula to be so thick right away. So I do like that. I actually think they look cute. What do you guys think about the lashes? I think they look good. Okay, last thing is the lipstick. And this is the Maracuja Juicy Lips in the color Primrose. And I have a couple of these. I think I have a nude one. Don't know if I have this color. I don't have this color. I have an orangey one. So I have a couple of these. You just pump them and they come out. The consistency of this is kind of like a balm. It's a balm, but it's also a gloss formula. So when you do put it on, it puts on like a gloss. So I'm gonna put some lip liner on. This is House Labs in Myth. This is their Demi Matte Lip Liner. I freaking love this lip liner. It's like a perfect nudie pink. Okay, then I'm gonna do the lipstick. So this was Primrose. Plump it a little bit. Oh, it's so shiny and it feels so good on your lips. And this is the lip plump, so it will be a little bit juicier. You could choose so many lip products from here, from the regular lipsticks, which I have. You can choose the lip plumps, which I have 3 of these. This is my 4th one. I love these. Look at this. Every time they go on sale on the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, I always snatch 2 because I think they're so worth the formula for the price. It's so good and it lasts for a long time, and I feel the little tingles, so it's gonna start plumping. Last but not least was the bag, and then I'm gonna put on a setting spray. So every order does come with the bag. So previous years you can choose different bags. This is very cheap material. I think I remember I grabbed one a couple years ago. They used to be a lot better like material. This is cheap. But this is like a snake skin with a gold zipper on it. So there it is. It will fit almost, it'll fit everything in here. It'll fit the palettes, everything, your whole face, and then some, and brushes. So it's a pretty good bag. I just wish it wasn't as cheap of material, but this will be very, very easy to clean. The last thing that I need to do is add in a setting spray. I don't have the full size because I didn't know if I want to buy it. So I got a mini from, I think it was from Ulta. They provided me a mini. This is the Tarte Shapetape Stay Spray 16-hour setting spray. I heard it's really, really good and the mister is nice, so let's try it out. Oh, it squirts at you. That was intense. It smells good. It smells like flowers, but like a good flower with a little bit of, I can't put my thought into it. I think it might be coconut. I don't know. To shake well. Okay, let's put this on here. Oh my goodness, I need to back away. That is intense. It smells like I'm at a pool. It's very beachy. That setting spray, I can immediately feel it locking in. Like, have you seen the Urban Decay All Nighter, how it sucks everything in? That's what this does. It literally sucks everything in. I could feel it. Okay, and this is the finished look. What do y'all think? Let me know down below in the comments. Let me zoom you in for a final look. I actually really enjoy everything that I got. I think it was amazing value because stuff like this, like $30, another 30 bucks. Okay, if you get 2 products, you're already in the $60 zone, and then you get everything else. I think it's so worth it, especially you got a lip plump, you got a nice mascara. I actually do enjoy this mascara a lot more than I thought I would. You could so see my lashes. My lashes are very short and skimpy, and for you to see them like this, it's honestly a good mascara. It is actually a really good mascara. So let me know all your thoughts down below. If you got this bag, what did you get? Because you can get so many different variations in each section. Each section had about 6 products that you can choose from. So you can choose different bronzers, blushes, highlighters, wands. You can choose brushes, you can choose face palettes, primers. There were so many different things. This is just what I got. I'm sorry I didn't take pictures of everything, of all the selections. I didn't think of doing it. Let me know down below what you thought of this video. My name is Sally. If you guys haven't been here, welcome. We love everyone. I do a lot of unboxings, makeup tutorials, clothing hauls, vlogs on this channel. So if you do like this type of content, go ahead and hit subscribe, like this video. I'm doing this thing where by November, end of November, I hit 3,000 subscribers hopefully. So I would really love it if you guys would subscribe. It's gonna be my 3rd year here on YouTube, and I think it'd be so cool to hit 3,000 subscribers on my 3rd year here on YouTube. So please go ahead, if you do like this content, go ahead and subscribe. It would mean the world to me if you do, and then click the little notification bell before you leave so you can be notified of all my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.